In this tutorial, I will guide you how to cancel your Resume Now subscription. If you found that video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. There are two ways you can use to cancel your Resume Now subscription. The first one is by canceling your subscription directly into your dashboard, and the second one is by contacting Resume Now support. So I'll show you all the methods here. Now, the first one, which is by canceling a subscription directly into your dashboard, just go to this website here, which is resume-now.com. The link will be available on the description of this video. Also on this website here, just select here login to log in into your dashboard. So make sure to sign into your account using the account details that you want to cancel a subscription. So just select login. Now it will take you to this option here. So make sure to go to your dashboard. So I'll go here, select here, go to my dashboard. Now also on your dashboard here, just wait for the page to load. Just select your profile and go here to settings. Now also on your settings, just wait for the page to load. And you'll see an option here on subscription, which you can see here, cancel subscription. So if I select here, cancel subscription, I'll be able to cancel my Resume Now subscription. And after that, Resume Now will not be able to charge you again. Now, another method you can use to cancel your Resume Now subscription is by contacting Resume Now support. If you go to this page here, also will be available on the description of this video, which is resume-now.com/contact us. Also on this page here, just make sure to scroll down and you'll see the contact details. You can either call them or can just chat with their live agent through here, chat with us, live chat, or just send them an email through this contact form here and just explain to them that you want to cancel your subscription and they will help you with that. But the easiest one, just make sure to log in to your dashboard on this resume-now.com. Select your profile, go to settings, you'll see an option which says subscription. Just select here cancel subscription and you'll be able to cancel your Resume Now subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.